Hey there. Today, I want to talk to you about resellers. TicketingHub connects to OTAs like Viator, Get Your Guide, Civitatis, Expedia, etc. We have an API connection to some of them in direct, and some others, we have a channel manager that enables you to connect to them. In TicketingHub, we don't actually charge you for the API connectivity, so you wouldn't be charged anything with Viator and Get Your Guide, or Project Exhibition, or Love to Visit, or TXGB. However, if you're using Expedia or Civitatis or any of the others that we're not connected to directly, our partner will charge you 2%, and that's all you will pay. Now in TicketingHub, we can go to Resellers. We can click Add Reseller, and let's say I wanted to add Viator, and I click info@viator.com, and then my currency is going to be pounds. I can set a credit limit. I can set the invoice period, which is a small reporting feature that we have. And then I can allow them to cancel their bookings via the API. That's it. I've created Viator, and now I can go ahead and do that for a lot of other resellers like Get Your Guide. In the case of Get Your Guide, you would just select them here and you would already be connected. Now let's take another example. If you wanted to have a reseller that logged into the platform, so this is login reseller. They're on wholesale still, and the email is going to be carl@ticketinghub.com. And then the currency is still going to be pounds. And I can allow them to cancel. And the password is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you set the password for the reseller and you provide them that information and you create the reseller. So now that I've created this reseller, I can go to widgets. This is what you would embed on your website, which is a reseller widget. It's exactly the same thing as a normal widget. So if you go to the look and feel, and you can see here, I've changed the context from customer checkout to a reseller portal. Now that it's in Reseller Portal, I can put in my email address and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can decide if it wants to remember me or not. Click Next. And now I can make a booking on credit on behalf of the reseller. And there you go. I have my ticket. I'm a reseller. I can give it to my customer. I've taken the money, and now you can invoice them at the end of the month. The final thing we support with the resellers is affiliate links. So if I go back to resellers, I can create a reseller, and this one will be on commission, which means you take the money and then you pay them their commission back. And this would be a commission reseller. And it's this email address. Important. Currency is going to be still GBP. And my referral code is basically the affiliate link code. Those are the very, very long codes you normally have with certain website. In our case, it's going to be very short, and we'll just have that reseller code inside. I can say what the commission is for this reseller, and then I can just create this reseller. And now you can provide them the link with this code that you've actually created for them. And now we can track all the sales that are actually happening from that reseller link. That's it. Thank you for watching.